Hey, Sophie here from Sophie Stitches, and for today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to make a magic loop. This is commonly used when making toys because it allows you to get a really tight starting loop to your project, and it just helps to get rid of any holes that might occur and any places where stuffing could leak out of. To show you this today I'm going to be using my 5mm clover hook and also it's Paintbox Aran yarn in colour 240. So let's get started. So what you want to do is you want to drape the yarn over your hand like so. You're then, with your right hand or your dominant hand, you're going to take the yarn and you're going to loop it, crossing it over. You'll loop it around those 3 fingers. So if we look underneath, it's going to look like this, but from above, your 2 loops will be separate. So if I just do that again, so if I lay that yarn over my first 3 fingers, bring the yarn over again, crossing that first loop, and then just secure that with my little finger. So you can see you've got it crossed over underneath and 2 separate loops on the top. Then what we're going to do is we're going to take our crochet hook and we're going to first insert underneath that first loop. We're then going to use the hook to pull the second loop through, like so, and then as we do that we're going to twist. So if I show you that again, so I'm just going to insert that hook underneath the first loop and then pull through the second loop, and then going to twist, and then I'm going to go under that second loop again and I'm going to pull through 1 chain. So that now just secures my magic loop. So then you've got this tail, which I'll show you how to deal with later, but this is what we'll use to tighten up our loop. So now imagine you're looking at your pattern and it's told you to do 6 double crochets, so that's UK double crochet, into the centre of your loop. So we would work 1, 2, 3. It's a little fiddly, but you kind of get the hang of holding this loop so you make it easier to work into. But it does take a little bit of practice. I used to hate using magic loops when I first started, but now it's what I always try to use if I can. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And then all we need to do, so we're keeping our hook in that final stitch, is we're going to just pull on that long length of yarn, like so, and you see that tightens your loop. You'll then tighten that up even more when you start your next round. So if we then were to work into the next stitch, like so, can then give that even more, tighten up even more, and there you can see we have a really nice tight starting ring. One important thing to remember with your magic loop is that only this tail is what's going to keep it secure. So you need to make sure that when you finish your project, you tie this into your project, sew it in, weave it around very securely, because of course if this comes out, then this will start to unravel from the centre, and we don't want that. To secure my end, I just like to sew it around that centre ring a few times, and then I'll sew it into another few stitches further through my project. And I find that keeps it nice and secure. And so now with your magic loop made, you're ready to carry on with your project. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and would like to see more, then please like and subscribe. And until next time, happy crocheting, and I will see you very soon.